Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss inner joining in Microsoft SQL Server. Inner joining is used to retrieve the data from two or more than two tables. It is must one column common in tables. So first you have need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. And next I will create a database. Create database metro demo and select the query, execute the query, okay, and then use the metro demo database, okay. I will create a table flight with the 3 columns: flight, code, varchar 50, and source varchar 50, destination varchar 50, and select the query, execute the query, okay. Next I will insert 4 record inside the flight table: flight values, flight code A001, and source as Delhi, and destination as Kolkata. Select the query and execute the query. First record successfully inserted inside the table, and copy this query and paste here. Right here A002 Delhi, and destination as Russia, okay, and select the query and execute the query, okay. Second record successfully inserted inside the flight table, and paste here. 3 A003 Mumbai to USA, okay, and select it, execute the query, okay, and again paste here, and flight code as A004 Mumbai, and Australia, okay, and select the code and execute the code, okay. I have successfully inserted 4 record inside the flight table. Next I will create another table as a reservation with the 2 columns: flight, underscore code as varchar 50, number of seats as int. Select the query and execute the query, okay, and next I will insert 3 record inside the reservation table: values A001 and number of seat as 100. Select the query and execute the query. First record successfully inserted inside the reservation table, and then right here A002 and number of seat as 60. Select the query and execute the query. Second record inserted inside the reservation table, and then right here A003 and number of seat is 50. Okay, and select it, execute the query. Okay, I have successfully inserted 3 records inside the reservation table. You look here, one column flight underscore code common in both tables. So here I am going to write the code for inner joining. You just write here select and then flight code, flight dot source and flight dot destination. I want to display first 3 columns from the first table, and it means flight table, and reservation dot number of seat from the reservation table. Okay, and right here from flight, and then right here inner join with reservation table, and then on, and then right here the column name that is common in both table, flight underscore code equal reservation dot flight code, and then select here and execute the query. Look here, A001 source Delhi to destination Kolkata, number of seats 100. A002 Delhi, Russia, number of seats 60. A003 Mumbai to USA, number of seats 50. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.